Hey skaters, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. I am Coach Julia, and today's video is just a quick reminder video to remind you that the submission deadline to be part of my Christmas compilation video is coming up in just a few short days. All right, if you want to be part of my video that goes up on Christmas Day, you can submit your Christmas programs to me. I'm going to be putting them all together in a beautiful compilation, and so we can all skate together on Christmas. But that deadline is coming up. Now, originally I had said that deadline is going to be Saturday, this Saturday, December 18th. I'm going to give you a little bit more time to get those videos in. I'm going to give you till Monday, the 20th, Monday, December 20th. So grab a friend, to record you, put your video up on the side of the rink to record yourself, do whatever you got to do. Get a video of yourself doing a holiday program. I prefer that sideways, landscape, horizontal mode because it fits on YouTube better, but whatever you send me, I will do my best to work with. Now, for those of you who aren't quite in the loop on what this Christmas program is all about, last year, people from all over the world sent me versions of a skating program that I taught the choreography to. And I've done the same thing this year. So back in November, I posted a video with some Christmas choreography, giving you all a chance to learn it. People have been working on it over the past couple weeks, and then you're going to be sending me a copy of that. Now, this choreography is still up there, so I'll put a link down below so you can learn that choreography. And I really want you to be able to play with it. I want everyone to be able to take part in this video. So if you're really beginner, you can simplify it as much as you need to, or if you can't do a spread eagle, you can replace it with a pivot, or you can make it more challenging with more challenging jumps and more challenging spins. I want you to take that choreography I've given you and really make it your own, so we can have a whole spectrum of skating skills and people from all over participating and coming together for Christmas. So you can find that choreography down below. As far as the music, you can go onto my Patreon and download for free the music that goes with this program, and I'll put a link to that Patreon down below. And quite a number of you have been asking me for a diagram, a little map of how this program could go, so I have posted that to my Patreon as well, and you can download that for free. Now, I've already started seeing a few submissions coming back to me. I'm so excited to see all of your versions. I love this time of year when you all send me your skating, and I get to see what you guys have been working on. So to submit those to me, there are a whole bunch of different ways. The main way is you can click my email. It's down in the description down below, and send me a copy of your video, and I can just take it right off the email. But if that doesn't work for you, you can send me a link to a Dropbox, or you can put it up on Instagram and tag me, or you can post it on YouTube and send me a link and I'll pull it off of YouTube. So there's a lot of different ways that you can send me your videos, but if you can't figure it out, send me an email send me a message, and I'll try to help you figure out how to send me your video. All right, skaters, I am so excited to start seeing more of these videos come in. Go practice, grab a friend to film you, maybe put some fun skating outfit on, but send me those videos by Monday, December 20th, and our compilation video will go up on Christmas Day. See you then.